Hi everyone, today I will be comparing in between Rustdesk and Meshcentral, which is better in 2025. Let's find out. Make sure to watch till the end to get all the information. Rustdesk is a lightweight, user-friendly remote desktop solution. It shines in simplicity and privacy. With support for self-hosting, end-to-end encryption, and cross-platform access, Rustdesk is ideal for users who want fast, secure remote control without relying on third-party servers. Setup is quick, and for many, it's a plug-and-play alternative to commercial tools like TeamViewer. Meshcentral, however, is built with IT professionals in mind. It offers a full suite of features beyond just screen control, like file management, command line access, device monitoring, and even multi-user sessions. It's also self-hosted and highly customizable, making it a powerful choice for managing fleets of devices within businesses or organizations. Rustdesk is best for remote access made simple, minimal setup, clean UI, and great performance across devices. Meshcentral, on the other hand, is more complex, but far more capable when it comes to managing multiple endpoints and advanced configurations. So, if you're an individual or small team looking for secure fast access, Rustdesk is a top pick. But if you're managing a network or want total control over a wide range of systems, Meshcentral might just be the better fit.